We thought we were going to put the attic ladder up in here while we're patching this water damage roof here. There's squirrels and rats dropping in here, but anyway, I took the light fixture out. It's a fluorescent light that bolts into here and over there, and here's the wiring. Thinking this would be perfect fit, for a attic ladder. Drop down right here, access to the attic, throw all your suitcase, and there's space. You're running out of space here anyway. But I look up here and you can see beyond there, you can see the roof all the way up there. So this looks good, right? And then you see, my other video, I noted the damage to the air thing here, blah blah blah. Something's got to be leaking in there. So we're gonna put this attic ladder here, and go up there and fix the air line, and cut into the roof here, pretty much, sizing out the 22.5 by 54 for the ladder, and as we work our way down here, lo and behold, we're in the wrong spot for that. We need to be right over here, actually, to have that roof access there, but this shit is in the way. So I guess we gotta patch this thing back up, and the attic ladder project will have to wait another day. But let's take a look at what's what in here. There's a box over there. Oh, okay. They miss. Are all of them like that? They got shitloads of nails. The whole line of nails is missing the stud. Okay. And there's no insulation back here. So the air line here goes into the kitchen next room, right? The dining room is over there. The kitchen would be parallel to this. Yep, we can hear Fifi entering the doggy door over there, clicking the flap. Get a good look at what's in here. That's the outside there. Another line going to the bathroom. The toilet. But yeah, it's a pretty rip-off construction of a house. And there's another box, but okay, that looks much better. I was gonna be pissed. I thought that thing was, it looked like, earlier it looked like it was made out of cardboard. No insulation here. And that line would go to the other half, the kitchen. And that's where the damage on the bottom side is. Let's see, there's a white dryer hose. Let's put it over there. Why would there be a no, the toilet is over there. Huh. There's another laundry hose thing. Interesting. I would assume that would be for the fan venting out to the roof. What the hell? The bathroom is right next here. This stud. That next stud right there would be like the door. The toilet would be right next to me here. That thing. That white pipe going to the ceiling there. Okay, it bends back. I see. Okay. I don't know what that little white dryer vent hose thing is there for. You see anything else? See any damage? And how are we gonna do this? There's no other access up in here. Shit. And this goes to the toilet in the kitchen. That hasn't been the most efficient fan, exhaust fan. What is that? Okay, that's, I think that's the access panel to my room. That can't be. Yeah, I can. Oh shit, this is not the ideal storage space. Oh shit, and the wires crossing everywhere. And the roof. Now, putting some floorings in here might be workable. Notching some of these for the wire. Damn it. Okay. Shit. Wonder if it's even doable. Yeah, you should be able to put the. Damn it. God damn it. Shit.